Lindsay Nova here, and we are going to go into the HIIT training portion of the Rising Wings Aerial Yoga Core Pilates course. So we're going to do every move for 1 minute. I'm not going to give as much rest time. This is just for your example, so you can use this in your own classes. So here we go. We're going to put the fabric on like a backpack, slide down to the chair position, hands onto the hammock, elbows forward, and we're gonna prance the legs, right and left, left and right, right and left, left and right, and up, core tight, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. If you mess up the legs, don't worry, 30 more seconds left, keep going, smiling always helps, and up, squeezing, lifting, up, prancing those legs, up and squeeze, holding on tight, you can do it, a few more here, and up and squeeze, we're gonna hear that bell go off, our belly's gonna feel so good, woo! Okay. Timer didn't go off, that's okay, we are finished. Now, let's go back, stretch it out for a moment. Okay, next, let's do a little bit of glute work. Right foot comes into the fabric, pivot yourself around, hands onto the hips, and we squat down and up. Down and up again. Breathing. And down and up. Down and up. Bending the knee. Right in line with the toe. And up. Down and up. Breathing in. Breathing out. Down and up. We're going to change. So bring the fabric on like a backpack. Pull yourself up. Change the legs, other side, here we go. Down and up, breathing in and breathing out. Knee right over the toe, bend and up, down and up. Keep the chest lifted, down and up, down and up. We have a 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to the first side. So put the fabric on like a backpack, quickly lift up and change. Okay, now, again, this time, bring the fingertips together, right leg bends in and out, breathing in and out, in and squeeze, in and squeeze. We're just doing 30-second intervals now. It's a lot. In and squeeze, in and squeeze. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's change. Backpack, pull up, and down. Hop it a little bit forward, hands together, out, and in, and out, and in. Breathing in, and breathing out. Really pull that knee in, work from the core. And in, out, and in, breathing in, and breathing out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, nice job. Okay, fold over, stretch it out. We're gonna need it for this next one. All right, come all the way up. Let's go ahead and put the fabric on like a backpack. Arms out, wrap once, wrap twice, double serpent wrap. We're gonna do a frog fan kick. So pivot your hips to the left side. Right leg is gonna come up, left leg is gonna follow it. Right, left, and around. Left, right, and around. Right, left, pull yourself up. Left, right, and around, and up. And jump. Just have some fun. And up and over, like you're a rainbow. And up, always job. Release your hands, stretch out your wrists. Okay, let's do some hammock pull-ups. Reach your arms back. Let's actually take the hammock in front of us. Okay, so you have the center loop in front of you, feet under the hips, arms out. We're up once, we're up twice. Lean yourself back, walk your feet forward. Don't wrap quite so high. Pull up and down. And down, up, and up. Up, and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Release the hands. Shake it out. Breathe. And wrap the arms around the hammock. Hands to your heart. Okay, toss the hammock back and behind. Gonna put it on like a backpack again. Stretch the legs out, hold on. Lift the right leg, pulse and lift. Pulse and lift, breathing in and squeeze. Up and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down, other side. Here we go. Lift and squeeze. And squeeze and up. Lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Chill. Okay, one more time. Hold on, lean back, right leg. Out and in and out and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Extend the left leg out and in and out and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And down. All right, let's finish it out with some crunches. 1 minute on your back. Scoot underneath. Hands on the hips. Hook your feet onto the fabric. Let's time it out. Hands behind the head. Here we go. Breathing up and squeeze. Elbows wide. Lift and squeeze. Up, navel to spine. Inner thighs together. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale and exhale. Keep going. Keep it up. You got this. 30 more seconds. Keep it up. Breathe. Lift. Squeeze and up. Squeeze and lift. Few more here. 10 and a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower it down. Release. And the knees. Give yourself a little hug, little squeeze. Okay, one last move. Tricked you, we're not done yet. Bonus move. Put the fabric back on like a backpack. Right leg forward, left leg back. Find this lunge, come up and down. Up and down, pull it up and down and a jump. Land low and knees bend and down. Up and down. And 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Woo! All right, everybody, we did it. Quick and dirty HIIT workout. Wrap that hammock in front of you. Let's stretch out the shoulders, wrist wrap position. Exhale. And the knees slowly roll up. And thank you so much for joining me for this session.